Hi everyone, it's Holly Nicole George, the Twister Sister, and it's Tuesday. That means it's time for another Tutorial Tuesday! My favorite day of the week. I'm so excited to share with you guys this week my line work, easy, fast superhero designs. So the next few weeks might seem like some kind of random tutorials. I'm working on building a vault, the Twister Sister Vault, which is basically going to be a place where every single thing that I've ever made is housed and stored there, and members of my vault will be able to have free access to anything they want. Download any clip art, any digital DVD, any giveaway thing that I've made in the past will all be in one organized place. And yeah, it's taking quite a while to put all that together. But I'm almost there, and so as I've been going through all the content that I've ever made, I'm seeing some holes and things where maybe I have clip art but no tutorial, or tutorials but no clip art. And so the next few weeks I'll just be filling in some of those holes, and this was one of the things that I noticed that I have clip art for but no tutorial. My channel is notoriously weak on boy themed designs because I think in bright, cute, colorful things, and so I am going to do superheroes today. If you're new here and you like balloons, definitely want to pop that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Today we're going to be learning my Spidey guy. And if you're a channel member of mine, make sure to head on over to the members only area. I'll be showing you my line work version of my Bat guy. Okay, so I low-key love it when people ask me for superheroes now. It used to terrify me, it would take too long, I don't want to do it. And with this line work design that I use, I love it. My customers are always happy with these designs. So over on Facebook land, I see a lot of people doing superhero designs in really like these adorable, cute little packaged designs, and they're just adorable and I love them so much. I love the creativity, I love the simplicity of it. But in my mind, I just have this disconnect where I see the little kids that come up to me at an event that want a superhero figure, and I can't see giving them like this cute superhero figure when I know that the reason they want the thing, the balloon, is so that they can like battle it out with their friends. So this design is a good mix for me of something that's fast and cute, kind of, but also is just very like, this is the superhero figure. Like, go play with your friends. Bad guys versus good guys, whatever. Go do your thing. So enough chit chat, on to the tutorial. I've got a red 260 and a dark blue 260, and I've inflated both of these. I usually try to get them about the same amount. Obviously I failed, but about a 3 to 4 inch tail on the end of both of those should be fine. And I always just tend to start with the red. So I'm gonna start off with a hand, which is just gonna be a small round bubble, and then a small loop, just fold it over and twist. Okay, and then we're gonna come down about 2 to 3 inches for an arm. I don't make anything too long on these because you don't want to run out of balloon. The whole point of this is you can get a superhero with 2 balloons and a 5-inch round. Okay, so at this point we're gonna do a small round bubble and make this one a pinch twist. We're gonna come down for the body, about the same length as the arm. Do another pinch twist here, so small round bubble, and pinch twist it. And then we're gonna go back up into the neck area, twist your balloon in there. Okay, we've got this, and now we're gonna do another arm, so everything the same size is over here. So we're gonna come down for the arm, a loop for the hand, and then we're gonna do a small round bubble. You can get rid of the rest of this and tie it off, or do like a pinch twist to finish it off, whatever works good for you. Okay, so that is what we have. And then we tie in our second balloon here. We're gonna get our blue, and the blue starts with the feet. So the red started with the hands, the blue starts with the feet. Sometimes I forget which is which and I make a reversed superhero colored figure. Nobody usually complains, but this is how I like it to be. So same thing as the hand, but with a foot. We're gonna do a small round bubble and a loop. We're gonna come up for his shin, so don't make it too big. All right, and then we're gonna do a small round bubble for a pinch twist, which will be the knee. And then come back for the thigh, don't make it too big. And then this twist that we made right here after the thigh, we're gonna take our red balloon and we're gonna twist into our bottom red pinch twist here at the bottom of the body. Just get them connected together. You don't need to over twist it. See how we're doing that? Now, if you're doing like that green superhero guy, you could just come back down for the other side with like a purple for the pants. But for this Spider-Man guy, Spidey guy, we're gonna go back up into the neck. Okay, so make a bubble going up the body. We're gonna twist it around this top pinch twist. Bring it back down the other side. Flip it with the other leg. Okay, so we've got that. And when your design is finished, we're actually going to switch it around. So we're gonna have the red in the middle, the blue on either side, and we're gonna come back down for the other leg. So come out with a thigh, do a pinch twist, come on down for the shin, and this is why you don't wanna make any of these leg bubbles too big or you're gonna run out of balloon at the end and you really don't wanna have to tie in another balloon for a foot. So just take whatever you have left, you can stretch it out if you need to, just fold it over to make the last little loop and bubble for the other foot. Now for the last part of this design, we're just gonna need a 5-inch round spider head print. I think these are officially licensed, so you can call it a Spider-Man print. And I'm just gonna, you know, inflate it like you do. All right, so we've got our Spider-Man head on there. And I don't even tie these, I save myself a step. I just take the nozzle and just wrap it around my pinch twist a few good times and you're golden. So that's it. That is the Spider-Man design. And I do like to draw a spider on these guys. If I have extra time, I'll color in the eyes with the white paint pen. But if I'm in a fast moving party or line work situation, I just try to do a really fast spider. There we go. So we've got the spider. It's just 2 black bubbles and then 8 legs. Make sure there's 8. So line work superhero guide there. Clip art is available. You can go pick it up and add it to your menus. I also wanted to show you the other reason I love this design is because it's versatile. So you can stick a stick in the middle of his body, come down, wedge it underneath the pinch twist here in the booty area, and then he can be on a stick. And I also like the fact that he is in a sitting position. Kids love it when you stick these on a headband and then they can walk around with them. Can also sit on their arms as a bracelet. So if you're at a festival situation where there's grass everywhere and balloons are gonna be popping non-stop, I definitely would make this into a wearable so that you decrease that chance of them dropping it on the ground as soon as you give it to them and then the whole thing popping right in front of you. And if you feel like being creative, of course you can add like a white web shooting out of his hand and other accessories as you think you have time to do. Now again, if you're a channel member of mine, head on over to the members area. I'm going to show you how I use the same design to make a couple other superheroes this week, so you can also add those to your menu. For big, long summer events and festivals, this is a great one to have on your menu. Very low amount of artwork needed, easy twisting, and especially if you have the superhero prints, it will make your life a whole lot easier. This is a staple print for me in my kit. Okay, so that is it for this week's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up for me so I know that you liked it. Also, be on the lookout for the announcement when my vault is complete. I'm so excited to be able to offer this to you guys as just a complete balloon artist resource for everything that you need is in one spot. No paying for this, paying for that. It's just all there in a membership format with new stuff that will be added all the time. So hopefully I can get that done soon, and I will hopefully be able to announce it in the next couple of weeks. I'm so excited to get this out to you guys. Thanks very much. Oh my goodness. So thank you so much for joining me on this Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. Okay guys, thanks. I will see y'all next week, same time, same place. Have a great week, everybody. Bye-bye.